Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning about the new YouTube Studio update starting in November. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post something new. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open your YouTube Studio app. Now, when you open the YouTube Studio app, you will see if your channel is monetized. You're getting the notification that reads, starting in November, we're simplifying ad controls for pre-roll, post-roll, skippable, and non-skippable ads to extend best practices and optimize creator earnings. Which means that starting in November 2023, YouTube Studio will be simplifying its ad controls for pre-roll and post-roll ads. Pre-roll ads are ads that show before the video begins, and post-roll ads are ads that show after the video ends. This means that the creators will no longer have the ability to individually choose whether or not to enable pre-roll, post-roll, skippable, and non-skippable ads on their videos. Instead, when creators enable ads for their videos, YouTube will automatically show viewers a mix of ad formats, including pre-roll, post-roll, skippable, and non-skippable ads as appropriate. If you are already using YouTube Studio, this change will automatically be applied to all new devices uploaded after November of 2023. Creators can still choose to disable ads on their views entirely, or they can choose to enable only mid-roll ads. So basically, to summarize this, before creators could individually choose whether or not to enable all these formats of ads, but after this update, what happens is that creators will no longer have this ability to individually choose. Instead, when creators enable ads for their videos, YouTube will automatically show viewers a mix of ad formats, and this update will take place on November of 2023. And that is all. I hope you've understood about the new YouTube Studio update. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, still let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.